Hello there beauties, your girl Euniycemari here, and today I did this Bantu knot hairstyle for you guys. If you're not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and click the subscribe button and thumbs up this video. I promise it won't hurt.
Whenever your heart is broken, don't ever forget you're golden. I will find the light in your soul, I'll be there.
Alright, so we're just gonna jump right into it. I'm first just gonna take a little bit of some water and conditioner mix in my bottle, and I'm just gonna go ahead and I'm just going to spray my front down. History on my hair, this is a second day wash and go, so I decided to spray down my hair a little bit with some water and conditioner mix just so that it's easier for me to separate my curls and I'm not working on hair that is not dry but kind of coiled together. So I just finger detangled, not finger, oh my goodness, it's early, y'all, I'm sorry. I just finger parted this middle portion from top. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grab my back section, I'm gonna put it into a ponytail, part this, like so. So I just try to be as gentle as possible because my hair coils together. So this is section number one. Also, I did decide to take some off the back because I thought it was too thick of a section, so I'm just going to actually take the one section first and I'm just going to clip it away. And so what I'm gonna do, just gonna make sure that my parts are as clean as possible. Now that I have the structure of my parts together, I just want to make sure that they are clean as possible. Just gonna go into styling it. I'm gonna take some of my curls, control gel or control paste, and I'm gonna apply that to the section. Now that I have it all applied to the section, I'm going to take a brush and I'm just going to brush this section into place. Make sure my edges are smooth. Smooth them out, smooth them out. It looks like my hair started to clump together and that's not what I want. So give me a second. I'm just going to try to go through this and try to smooth it out with a comb actually instead of a brush. That was really odd. My hair just clumped all together with that control paste. And I probably won't use as much. So the thing about the Bantu knot is that you want to take it and you want to start. But anyway, so I'm going to start twisting my hair like so. Twist it all the way down. All the way down. And then what you're going to do is that when you start to get to the end, you're going to twist it in the same direction that you're twisting the hair to create the Bantu knot. And you're going to start to do it around the base. Okay, so when you start twisting, continue to twist around the base. Also continue to twist the hair down to the end of the hair. Twist it, hold on. It's hard to do, sorry. Twist it around the base. Twist the hair like so, and twist it around the base of the hair until you don't have any hair anymore. And then take a lovely rubber band and secure it. And I don't have to like take the rubber band and put it around there multiple times. I just did the rubber band on it once. And that's my first Bantu knot. And then also too, another trick about Bantu knots is that if they're too tight and you want to kind of not have them be as tight, you can twist it in the opposite direction and that will loosen up the Bantu knot. So now what I'm going to do for the back part of my hair, I'm going to do something that's going to stretch it out. So I'm going to actually create just 2 ponytails really quickly. I'm gonna let this sit for a little bit while I do my makeup and get all pretty, and then I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna actually show you guys how I'm going to just shape it up a little bit, make it look all nice and together. So I'll be back. All right, you guys, so I'm back. So I'm gonna go ahead and now continue to complete this hairstyle. So now what we're gonna do is I'm going to lay down more of my front, kind of, you know, style the front part of my edges, and then I'm gonna actually curl this little piece that's hanging out instead of trying to shove it back in. So let's get it started. All right, so I'm gonna take my toothbrush and I'm going to take some of the same control paste and I'm just going to add that to my edges just a little bit. Y'all, like I tell you, I get heavy-handed. So I'm just going to kind of shape up my edges a little bit so that they look a little bit more neater. Like so. Okay. And then for this little piece of hair that's hanging out on the side, I'm just going to finger coil it using some Curls Botanical gel. And it's just gonna be, it's a really small curl though, like nothing too much, but if y'all can see, just a little tiny curl. Like I swear y'all, I am so in love with the Twisted Sister line. Like I swear, for washing goes, it gives my hair so much life. I'm gonna take out this one. And I'm just going to fluff. Fluff, 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 and more fluff. Yeah, you just kind of have to shape the hair. Just kind of close any gaps. Flare it out. Okay. And this is the final look, you guys. It's just a simple 4 Bantu knots in the front. And yeah, I like it. It was just really easy, really simple, and it's cute. Thank you guys so much for watching. This is your girl Euniycemari. Make sure to rate, comment, subscribe, all that fun stuff, and I will see you guys in a later video. Bye.